This is my robot. His name is Astro. I put a taser on him. Astro, taser on.
Taser isn't responding.
Taser. I took a Linky thingy for a switch bot. It won't even turn on. That's so weird. I plugged it into here so it always knew where it was. But I think after it was on for so long, it kind of started killing the battery. And now this thing's supposed to light up, but when you plug it in, no light. For now, so I don't want to go downstairs. We're just going to plug this in. So as long as he's in the house, he'll be able to use it. Okay, we got a light now. Blinky, 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 blink. Cool. Astro, what are you thinking about? What? What the? Okay. Cool, thanks. Astro, taser on.
Okay.
Turn it off. Turn it. There is a zip tie on a light switch controller switcher, and it happens to be Astro taser on. Land right on the button.
You want to set the taser to on, is that right?
Yes, Astro taser on.
Okay. Automatically turn off lights at night if you usually turn them off, and I have a hunch you forgot.
Oh,
Would you
okay.
like to do this?
Yes, please turn the taser on and off at night irregularly.
I don't know that one.
So, yeah, Astro can do that. And so if people are sneaking in, I can go, Astro, raise periscope. And this big thing comes up. And it'll like peep at you and get you. And then Astro lower periscope. I put a couple modifications on him. We got this is from a racing bike helmet. And I put it on the back so that way, character. And then on the butt, we got a tail. It does come off because it was like Velcro, so that way it went on the helmet. He doesn't really like that. I mounted this on with just a GoPro mount, and then we took a GoPro arm, and this is his only arm. I'm starting to figure out where I am. And then zip ties, just lots of zip ties. So what else can this robot do? Not too much, but he can tase people, and then if you ask him weird questions, he just kind of like winks at you. Like, Astro, are you a boy or a girl? Eh? Astro, is Trump a good president?
Since September
Oh.
2019, Trump's Palm Beach resort Mar-a-Lago has served as the primary residence for Donald and
No,
Melania
not
Trump.
is he.
Donald Trump had an
What?
average approval.
Astro, do a barrel roll. She can't do a barrel roll. Astro, go backwards. Like, I'm not on the charger. I'm going to move forward before that. At least that. Astro, move forward. Astro, go to the kitchen. He doesn't know where the kitchen is. He's upstairs right now. Figuring out your location. All right, figure out your location. Do it. Well, he'll like look around. Yeah, look around. Find your way. He'll try to figure out where he is. He won't figure it out. But Astro, stop. Astro. Astro. Hey, no. No. Astro, come here. Astro, come here. All right, we're going back to these other things. Astro, do something sick.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Okay, so yeah, if you ask him like something he doesn't know, you'll get not sure. But if you ask him something he's not supposed to answer, hello, Astro, who owns you?
Amazon Alexa is developed by Amazon.
Okay, that's a cool. Astro, will you try to take over the world?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Okay. Astro, are you evil? Okay, so that one just gets nothing. Astro, are you evil? You answer me. Astro, Are you AI? Astro, are you watching me?
I'm designed to protect your privacy.
My
so I can
privacy?
stream
Astro,
invites is streaming image.
will you watch me while I sleep? I don't know what that one meant. You can't make a robot dance because that's what every robot does. And you're not allowed to dance. This robot doesn't dance. It's the non-dancing model. The taser, it throws it off. Astro, security mode.
I'll switch to a.
Ah, I forgot I have to turn it off with my phone. I don't have my phone next to me, so now it's just gonna walk around and protect my room from me. Astro, turn home monitoring off. You have to do it from the phone.
Welcome home. Please switch to home mode manually using your Alexa app.
Yeah. Alexa, switch to home mode.
Modes are not supported on this device.
Ah! Oh no, no, no. Stop. Come back. So we can't see cables. That's apparently not a thing. Oh gosh. Alright, Astro, stop. Astro, stop. Stop patrolling.
Astro can't do that.
I'll kick you over, bro, and then you'll stop. I just found out how to defeat Astro. So you come in, he's like, ooh, I'm gonna tase you, blah, blah, blah. Ha!
Astro can't do that.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. You're freaking me out. Oh, back cup holder, bucket, cup holder. All right, let's go, Astro. I usually pick them up from the head, kind of like I think you pick up chickens like this.